Football, also known as soccer in some countries, is a popular team sport played by millions of people worldwide. The game is played with a spherical ball by two teams of 11 players each, with the objective of scoring goals by kicking the ball into the opposing team's net. The game is played in two 45-minute halves with a 15-minute break in between. The ball is moved primarily by kicking or using other parts of the body, except for the hands and arms, which are reserved for the goalkeeper. The team that scores more goals at the end of the game wins. There are various positions on the field, including goalkeeper, defenders, midfielders, and forwards. Each position has a specific role in the game, and players must work together to achieve their objectives. Football also has a set of rules and regulations that govern the game, including fouls, offside, and the use of yellow and red cards to caution or eject players for misconduct. The popularity of football has led to the creation of various professional leagues and tournaments worldwide, including the FIFA World Cup, UEFA Champions League, and Premier League.